What's up guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an ASOS account. Go ahead and open up the ASOS app, and you notice when you install the app you go right in. You don't even have to create an account to start exploring. But if you want to use it and create an account, just click the three lines in the upper left. You'll see it sign in. You click on sign in. The cool thing is that you can easily sign in with your Facebook, Apple, or even Google account. So I'm going to go ahead and click Google at the bottom there and just choose an email address right here and just simply click and continue. You will see right there that it's going to help me to create a profile here, and I'm going to just select man's where. He's going to ask for date of birth. You just go ahead and fill in whatever, right? So I'm going to just fill in the date of birth right here. Let's choose something randomly. Yeah, not so old, not here, but I'm going to choose it. Then from here, just simply click and join ASOS. You will see that it redirects you right back into the app with your account, and that's it. I now have an account on ASOS, guys. Very easy and very simple.